Hi guys, today is 1st August and I am updating an important lecture, Bitcoin Fork. Why it is important? Because today Bitcoin is splitting into two different currencies, cryptocurrencies. And why it is happening is in this lecture. And what should be your focus in between these two currencies? This is the chapter for you. Now, after Bitcoin Fork, that is splitting into two currencies, Bitcoin is split into Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin is the old currency that you have bought or you're considering buying, and Bitcoin Cash is the new currency. Now all major online wallet and exchanges only support Bitcoin, the old currency. Therefore, Bitcoin Cash currently acts like a new cryptocurrency without any power behind it. It's like either you buy Bitcoin Cash or any other new currency. It's up to you because they both are equal. They both don't have the power that Bitcoin have. The fork happened because of Bitcoin SegWit 2x update. Few miners didn't want it and therefore they opted for a new cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin Cash. So basically, all in all, Bitcoin is split because of Bitcoin fork, and due to this, Bitcoin is converted now into two different currencies. One is Bitcoin, the older one that you are considering to buy, that this course is based on, and the other one is Bitcoin Cash. Now, all major online wallet and exchanges are not supporting Bitcoin Cash. So if your money is in it, they will be considering it as the old Bitcoin, not as the new one. If you want to reconfirm it, you can send them an email and get this reply, because I have sent email to approximately 10-12 Bitcoin exchanges and I have got the same reply again and again and again. Therefore, Bitcoin Cash currently acts like a new cryptocurrency without any power behind it, because that's what is the difference between Bitcoin and other new cryptocurrencies. That Bitcoin has power behind it and those currencies are like left out. So this fork has happened. And this fork has happened because Bitcoin's SegWit 2x was not really preferable by few miners, and they opted for a newer cryptocurrency that is now known as Bitcoin Cash. And that has happened today on 1st August. Now Bitcoin SegWit 2x update will move Bitcoin transactions data outside of the block and onto a parallel track to allow more transactions to take place. So Bitcoin SegWit 2x is like really a transformation for Bitcoin. It's something really new because it gets data outside of the block. Currently, we all know it runs on blockchain, but this update gets it out. After that happens, blocks would double in size. Now, Bitcoin Cash does not believe in moving transaction data outside of each block, but wants to increase the size of each block to 8 MB. So, Bitcoin Cash backers don't believe in SegWit 2 plan will be totally followed. And due to this belief, they have opted for Bitcoin Cash. But the point is, the real difference is SegWit 2 update will come into effect. And if it is not followed totally as the Bitcoin Cash holders believe, they will be happy, because they have opted for Bitcoin Cash due to SegWit 2x. That's the biggest thing. And Bitcoin old will follow SegWit 2x. Now you might be asking, what's the difference for you as an investor? Nothing. It doesn't really count for you. But for miners, it will be, because in the future their return on investment will decrease further, because a miner will be able to mine one block with more data. Therefore, as per the difficulty rate will increase further, which will reduce their margins more. But for an investor, it doesn't really mean anything. Thank you.